Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This simple and short video is about fixing the issue with Riot client or Valorant which is not opening at all. When you double click to run the program, it just doesn't open without any error code and nothing happens at all. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, I'll go ahead and show you what happens when you run it. I'll go ahead and launch Valorant and nothing is happening after launching the Riot client or Valorant in my system. So let's fix out the issue. Head over to settings menu, choose Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure to download all the pending updates to make your Windows PC up to date. Secondly, if you have installed AVG or Avast antivirus in your system, I suggest you to go ahead and uninstall both the viruses to fix out the issue with Riot client or Valorant which is not opening at all. If both method fails, let's proceed with the final step. You need to first of all right click on your Riot client and choose the option properties over here. Hit compatibility tab and uncheck the option run this program as an administrator. Secondly, you need to do is to checkmark the icon run this program in compatibility mode. And from here, you need to choose the option Windows 8. Hit apply and OK button. Do the same with Valorant also. Right click, properties, compatibility tab. If this icon is checkmarked, run this program as an administrator, you need to uncheck it. And secondly, checkmark run this program in compatibility mode, which is Windows 8. Hit apply and OK button. Now go ahead and run Riot client again. Now you can see the Riot client has started up and your problem regarding Riot client or Valorant which is not opening in your Windows PC has been completely fixed out by doing these simple tricks. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.